Hello, job hunters. Welcome back to Jobs Cookery. Here, I would like to share a beautiful information for airport job lovers. As we know, Airlines Air Aviation they opened new recruitment for 2021, and which are the vacancies, further procedures, and details are shared in this video. Last date for this application will be 12th November 2021, and vacancies left on these are Manager IT, Manager SR Manager PR and Corporate Communication, AGM Revenue Accounting, and the last post will be DGM Revenue Management. Those who would like to apply for this job and those I mentioned qualification experience, and if you are eligible for that, then please apply. And the application mode is direct and through postal. Please apply for that. The link will be in the description box, and you will check the link, click that link, and scroll down. Then you will get a official notification as per I mentioned. Then just click to their new page and just read it. Salary and enrollments will be 42,000 and age is maximum 45 years as on 23rd 10 2021, and its qualification will be minimum qualification diploma in IT and or graduate in IT from any recognized institute of India. Then the next post will be Manager, SR Manager, PR, Corporate and Communication. The number of posts is 1 and the place of posting Delhi. It needs the qualification as Master Degree in Journalism, and it has experience. It needs experience at least 5 years of managerial experience. And the age limit will be maximum 45 years as on 23rd 10 2021, and the next post will be the AGM Revenue Accounting. Number of posts is 1 and the place of posting is Delhi. Qualification CA, ICWA, CES, and its experience will be minimum of 12 years of experience in aviation, in accounting and any commercial airline. Age relaxation will be maximum 58 age. And the next post will be the DGM Revenue Management. Number of posts will be 1, place of posting Delhi. Qualification graduate in any stream, and its experience will be minimum of 15 years of experience it needed, and the salary emoluments is very high. It needs 1,20,000 per month as approximately, and can be considered as SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidates, and those who belongs to SC and ST. It has free and it has no application fees. Those who are OBC and general candidates, then it needs 1,500 as demand draft. Then how to apply this job? www.airindia.in website is the main website for this job notification, and by downloading the application form, here you can see the application form. Then how to apply for this post? It has a general website called www.airindia.in. Download the application form and fill the application format. Then by filling this application format, send this information with a non-criminal certificate if you are a OBC candidate or EWS candidate, whether ST or SC. Then after filling the form, then it is applied by the postal address Alliance Air, Personnel Department, Alliance Bhavan, Domestic Terminal 1, IGI Airport, New Delhi 110037 is the address of the is the postal address of this recruitment or Air India website. Then the last date will be the 12th 11 2021. The application, then the format of application has it needs a recent passport size photograph, and then fill in the blanks. Then you are pinned with your document. It needs OBC certificate, by filling this information and by pinning your documents, send it to the specified address to through courier or other courier, speed post, else through post. Then it has so many instructions. If anything, application received late, incomplete, multilated, without any supporting documents, with regarding to eligibility criteria, demand draft, these cases, this application will have a chance of rejected. So when you apply this job and by entering the details, you need to correct and verify the exact data and those documents they prefer and those pro forma they ask, you need to submit through post or courier or speed post. It is the rule. And it has the demand draft of 1500 rupees. And SC ST those are SC ST candidate. These candidates have no any fees. For those who are belonging to the EWS category, income certificate, asset certificate is needed for to attach the document. Then the further details you can read it. Then apply for the post. Then have a nice day, guys. Read this carefully. Then guidelines for interview. It has a walk-in interview, and the interview guidelines are preferred here. Read these details carefully and then attend the interview. If they invite for the interview, then as through the guidelines you will need to apply for the interview, then conduct it. Then happy journey.